Sunshine Cleaning and Restoration has been locally owned and operated for over 25 years. We are happily serving Payson and the surrounding areas with carpet, tile, upholstery, and duct cleaning. Sunshine Cleaning and Restoration is also a 24-hour-a-day, 365-day-a-year water, fire, and mold mitigation company that can handle any size residential or commercial loss. We work closely with all insurance companies and can bill them directly, making the whole process as easy as possible for you, the homeowner. All of our employees are trained and certified. We hold all of the proper certifications for all the services that we provide. To find out more about Sunshine Cleaning and Restoration, visit our website at sunshinecleaning.net or call us at 928-474-2521.